Hello students, good morning. Myself Rita Das. Again I am here to present my video. Those who are new for my channel, please subscribe my channel. If you like my video, you can share it also. Today I am going to teach you most important part of the grammar section. The topic is determiners. It is used before the noun. Determiners is most important in making the sentences. So, it is useful for all the students. Without knowing determiners, we can't make perfect sentence. In determiners, we have to read what is determiners, definition of the determiners, kinds of determiners, and its uses in making the sentences. Now we have to know the determiners, the definition of the determiners. Determiners are words which warns that noun is going to be used. Here it is said that determiner is a word used before a noun to indicate which things or people we are talking about. The words a, the, my, this, some, many, etc. are called determiners. The examples: he is a good boy. A, in this sentence, A is a determiner. The boy you met is my friend. In the second sentence, my is the determiner. And after knowing the definition of the determiners, we have to know the kinds of determiners. There are 9 kinds of determiners. The first kind is the predeterminers. These predeterminers, the word comes all of, half, half of, both, double, rather, such, what, extra. Second determiner is articles. In the articles, the words comes a and the. Third determiner is demonstrative determiners. In the demonstrative determiners, these, that, those comes. And fourth determiners is possessive determiners. In possessive determiners, the words come my, our, your, his, her, its, theirs. And fifth determiners is ordinals determiners. In ordinals determiners, the words come first, second, next, last, extra. Sixth determiners is cardinals determiners. In cardinals determiners, the words come 1, 2, 3, 10, 100, 1000, extra. And seventh determiners is quantifiers determiners. In quantifiers determiners, words comes much, some, no, any, many, enough, several, lot of, plenty of, little, few, extra. And the eighth determiners is distributive determiners. In distributive determiners, the words comes each, every, either, neither. And the last ninth determiners is interrogative determiners. In interrogative determiners, the words comes what, which, whose, extra. Now we have to read about all the determinants one by one and where these determinants is used. The first determinants is the predeterminers. In the predeterminers, the words comes all, half of, half, and both, such, these words comes. And the examples is all the boys joined the race. Here all is the determiners. And predeterminers are the words which occur before a determiner to limit the meaning of a noun. Means that predeterminers are the words which used before the determiners. Here the first sentence is the all the boys joined the race. All is the predeterminers and the is also the determiners. So predeterminers used before the determiners. Second, you will get all the information. Here also all the information. Both are the determiners. Now we have to read the second determiners, that is the articles. Articles is very common in English grammar section. From the first standard, we have read about the article. A and the are the articles. The article is used for the article is used for the specific person, specific thing, and an article is used for the general person or general thing. The article in English grammar consists of the definite article the and the indefinite article a or an. It means that two types of the articles are there. One is the definite article. In the definite article the is used, and indefinite article a or an the word is used. We can think of noun in a specific or general way. When we refer to particular people or things or something that has already been mentioned or can be understood, we use the definite article. And when we refer to singular noun for the first time or refer to the things in a general way, then we have to use the indefinite article a or an. Now, the definite articles. Definite article is the word the, and it refers directly to a specific noun or groups of noun. For example, the freckles on my face. The is the definite articles. The alligator in the pond. The is the definite article. Alligator is the specific case, and the breakfast burrito on my plate. So in these sentences, we have to know that freckles, alligator, and breakfast is the specific thing. And there are so many sentences that where the word definite articles used. So I have just mentioned about this. The article is used before the common noun, the voice, the hall, and second, the article is used for the specific person, the principal, the staff, the teachers. The third, the article is used for the heavenly bodies, the sun, the earth, the moon, the planet, etc. Fourth, the article is used for the prison, school, university, the school, the university. Fifth, the article is used for the parts of the body, the neck, the lungs, etc. Sixth, the article is used for the time expression, the morning, the evening. Seventh, the article is used for the dates, the 15th of the October. The article is used for the seas, name of the seas, name of the rivers, name of the deserts, name of the mountains. The Pacific Seas, the Yamuna, the Sahara Desert, this. 9. The article is used before the public building, the Taj Mahal, the town hall. 10th, the article is used for before the superlative adjective, the best, the most. And 11th, the article is used for the adjectives, the rich, the poor. And 12th, the article is used for the trains and for the ships, the Shatabdi, the Titanic ships, etc. Now we have to read about the indefinite articles. In the indefinite articles, the words a and an. Each of these article is used to refer to a noun, but the noun being referred to is not a specific person, place, object, or idea. It can be any noun from a group of nouns. For example, a Mercedes from the car, lot, an event in history. In each case, the noun is not specific. The Mercedes could be any Mercedes car available for the purchase, and the event could be any event in the history of the world. Here we have to say where the a is used and where the an is used. A is used before the words which has the consonant sounds, just like the a car, a TV, a motorcycles, these things. And n is used before the vowel sound, an orange, and an orange, and we can say that an event, as an umbrella, these things. After indefinite articles, we have to read the third article, that is the demonstrative articles. In the demonstrative articles, these, that, those words comes. And in this article, this and that is used for the singular things, and these or those are used for the plural things. The demonstrative determiners are used to talk about the persons or things that have already been mentioned. These and these refer to the things that are near and can be seen. That and those are used to refer to the things that are at a distance but can be seen. So, some examples are: we lived in this house for 4 years. She bought these books. Those boys are very mischievous. I like this school. Now, the fourth determiners is the possessive determiners. In the possessive determiners, the words comes my, our, your, his, her, its, their. The possessive determiners are used in the he is my uncle. Our neighbor is a rich man. Your daughter is beautiful. After possessive determiners, the second next determiners is the ordinals determiners. In the ordinals determiners, first, second, next, last words come. Here, the ordinals determiners show what position something has in a series. So, example, he is the first boy who has joined this school. Second, I shall meet him the next week. After the ordinals, we have the cardinals determiners. In the cardinals determiners, 1, 2, 3 numbers comes, and it is the ordinary numbers like 1, 2, 3 extra comes. They show how many of some things there are. Examples: there were only 10 boys in the class. She lived for 80 years. He has 2 daughters. Now the seventh is the quantifiers determiners: much, some, several, a lot of, both, all, extra. These quantifiers determiners refer to the quantity of things or amount of something. So the examples: there were some people at the airport. They had enough guests already. Plenty of people would like to have your job. All children enjoy the show. So the eighth determiners is the distributive determiners. In the distributive determiners, each, every, either, neither words count. Distributive determiners refer to each single member of a group. Here, each is used when we talk about the members of a group individually, and every when we make a general statement. Both are followed by a singular countable noun. He met each guest. The minister visited every flood affected. Either is used to talk about two things, usually indicates that only one of the two is involved here. And either of the two girls should come here. Neither is used for the negative of either. Neither member come to attend the meeting. So after the last is the interrogative determiners. In the interrogative determiners, the words comes what, which, whose, extra. The interrogative determiners are used for asking questions. The examples are: what subjects are you studying? Which color do you like most? Thank you.